Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the first impression. We're going to take a look at the Elgato HD60 S. Now, who is this for? Well, we're going to unbox this, we're going to take a look at the product itself, we're going to take a look at the features, and we're going to set it up. Is it easy to set up? Well, we're going to find out soon. So, let's get this started. Now, for those of you who don't know about Elgato, they sell this capture devices for your gaming needs. Link in the description below if you want to know of their other products. This particular one, the HD60 S, did the job just hassle-free. So it's the most simplest one that you can get, probably for starter streamers or YouTubers, new channels like us who want to start gaming or let's plays. They can actually use this very simple. So this will work for PS4, PS4 Pro, it will work for Xbox One and Xbox One S. Not sure with Xbox One X because they don't put it on the box here. They work for Nintendo Switch actually, and they work for Twitch and YouTube stream. Anyway, it works for Mac and Windows 10 computers, so you need to download their software from their website. Link in the description again if you want to take a look at the website. Pretty cool stuff they make. And the system requirements. So the system requirements that you need is a Windows 10 64-bit. The GPU is Intel HD, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 600 or better. And for Mac, it needs to work on Mac OS Sierra or higher, probably. It should be working for High Sierra or so. And it needs to have a GPU of AMD and NVIDIA, which actually I don't own, I own Intel. But hell, we're gonna try it anyway. We're not gonna put this to waste, don't you think? It has HDMI in, an analog audio, presumably probably for the audio, a USB 3.0 Type-C. So this is a Type-C. The S here stands for Stream, HD60 Stream. So they have the HD60, the HD60 S, and all beyond that for PC uses. But this buddy over here, this is the most reliable one because you can use it for PC, console, Mac, and all of your gaming needs. So this capture card can get 1080p 60 FPS, not 4K, but it has 60 FPS, which is pretty good because higher frame rates on gaming is what you need. So 1080p 60 FPS, it's all good. So that's all that they have to say on the box. Let's take a look at the box. Let's dive in deeper, shall we? Let's unbox this baby up. Alright. It's not particularly easy to unbox it with a scissor, so you might want to forgive us. The Elgato HD60 S. So the box is pretty nice. There you go. Okay, slides in like that. And there you go, that's the product. The HD60 S. Very clean box, I love it. So this device, this is the guy right here, pretty small. So let's see what they have on the box. So they have the instruction manual, of course, and they provide you with the USB-C to the USB 3 jack for your Mac probably, if you want to put it, yes. So they have USB-C, so these USB-C go to your, we'll talk about it later. So this is the USB-C to USB 3, and they provide you with an HDMI cable, like we don't have any here. We already have abundance of HDMI cables, so probably we don't need this. Probably we need it, I don't know. Too much HDMI, first world problem, and they provide you with a sticker. Alright, so yeah, pretty much it. Empty box. Okay, so let's take a look at the product first. I think it looks beautiful. Don't you think it looks beautiful for a gaming card that you probably will tuck under your display or monitor? This looks pretty good. You have an LED panels over here to say, hey, I'm on. You have your HDMI port over here and the HDMI out at the end. And you have your USB-C and the jack for your audio. Pretty simple, dead simple. Elgato is a German company in Munich, if you're wondering, so they make a very good product. So, is it easy to set up for you first timer there? We're gonna find out soon. So let's set it up. All right, shut the camera. Let's set it up. Gaming session. So this is the magic box right here, the Elgato HD60 S. Now I'm gonna set it up. Now it's very simple, very simple. So this is the HDMI out that goes to the display. So what you're gonna do is you just plug it in here, like so. All right, and this HDMI goes to the PlayStation 4 here. So what you're gonna do is you can plug it in the HDMI in over there. And one more thing. There is a USB-C that connects to the computer that you're going to record. So you plug it in here, and there you go. So it's very simple. You see the LED lights shines up, and all you need to do is actually just there. The screen is just on. You need to install the Game Capture HD here, which is from the website. Link in the description below. So it takes a moment to set up, and voila! The screen is over there and you can start playing your game. For example, probably Far Cry 5, okay? So you can start playing. So the audio comes out from here, so if you want to mute that, probably you can mute that. And the thing is, if you're already screen recording from this app over here, you can't plug in your headset here, because when you plug in your headset here, the audio stops recording. So that's the minus plus there. You're gonna find a way around that. It's very simple. So you can just hit record over here. You can just hit record, and it starts recording, and the LED lights shows red over here. And if you're done recording, you click stop recording, and your video will come up in this section over here called edits, and you can just see all of the gameplay that you have recorded. Very simple. And there's a few settings here. You can set it up. You can obviously there's a firmware update every month or so, and you can pick your preferences. So you can basically customize everything that you want. Input device, there's Xbox 360, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Wii U, and so on. And you can set your quality probably if you're into a short gaming session, probably you can just set the quality there. You can allow 60 FPS. We're running at 60 FPS right now. Currently, it's showing 49 FPS. Depending on the scene, you know, if you're in a hardcore scene like this, it runs a little bit jaggy, but hey, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. We have done a Let's Play, so you might want to check our Let's Play in the link in the description and see for yourself the result of this Elgato HD60 S. So that's the setup. Pretty easy, isn't it? So that's the Elgato Game Capture HD60 S. What do you think? Pretty simple. That simple, really, if you want to record and start your Let's Play. So let me know in the comment below if you have an HD60 S and you have your own experience. Let me know in the comment below. Share me your experience. I really want to know. I'm just a starter too of a Let's Play, so probably we can share a few info together. So thank you for watching. This is the first impression. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and see you on the next video. Shining out. I'm gonna play a few games now. Okay, if you don't mind.